Hey, what's up you guys? It's me, Amber Kush, and I'm back again with another try-on haul. But before I jump into that, I just want to say thank you guys for subbing to the channel and liking my vids. We finally surpassed 1K subs and I am an official YouTube partner. So thank you. It wouldn't have been possible without you guys. I can now monetize my channel, go live, and so much more. So thank you. Thank you so much. I think we're like at 3.5K subs, somewhere around there. Y'all are freaking amazing, man. So let's jump back into the haul. And the first outfit I'm gonna show you is the outfit I'm wearing. It's a super cute white crop top with embroidered angels on the front. So the pants are super duper cute too. I really like the chain that comes on them. They have 4 pockets, which I think is cool because like they're a really good deal. I think they're only like 35 bucks. So they have 4 pretty deep pockets and they fit me really well. I wear a size small and the waist has a little bit of a stretchy band on the back. So if you're a little bigger than me, but not too much, maybe I would still go with the small. And even if you're a little smaller than me, then I think the small will still work for you as well. I really like these pants and I really like this outfit. I'm excited to actually wear it out. So this next item I'm going to show you is this really cute sporty windbreaker. It's really simple, just white black zipper. Yeah, let me know what you think. I like it. I really enjoy the sporty look. I have like a ton of sneakers. All right, so this next item I've got, so I was kind of like experimenting here. This tattered, cut up looking, almost reminds me of old Yeezy season kind of sweater. Tell me what you think about it. I've got like this off the shoulder look going on. And you can also see what it looks like on the shoulder as well. And yeah, it's okay. Like maybe back in October around Halloween time, I feel like this might be for me. So I don't know, it's kind of cute, but maybe I should have bought it sooner. Let me know what you think of my tattered sweater look, please. I'm curious to know what you all think of that one. All right, so this next item I've got is this corduroy jacket. All of these items are from Zaful, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that in the beginning. I think I mentioned that in the beginning. Yeah, I think it's super cute. Here's a look at the corduroy, so you can kind of check out the quality. Doesn't want to focus that well, but I like it. I think it's cute. I like it has kind of reminds me of like Jamaican colored theme. I like that a lot. Yeah, I'll be wearing this. Okay, so this next item I have is this pink pullover. It has this really cute, sparkly, what is that, a sunflower? Yeah, sunflower. And it honestly doesn't fit me that well, unfortunately, because I really liked the design. I love the sparkle on the flower, but it just did not fit me personally. Just the way it hung off my shoulders and on my sides, I was not feeling. Beautiful, cute little flower though. That's adorable. Wish it fit me better. And it does have a hood. But I don't know. Am I tripping? Does it work? Or I just feel like that it wasn't fitting me exactly. And all of my items are a size small, except for that white jacket was a medium. Got that in me. I like my jackets big. All right, this next item is my favorite. Totally my favorite is this super furry, fuzzy, plush pullover hoodie. I love it. Like, as soon as I'm done making this video, I'm literally going to put it on because it's so comfortable, and it's been getting really, really cold here in Vegas. When I said really, really, like, I don't know, I think it was like 55 today or something. I know it's like freezing other places. It's the middle of December. But for me, that's really, really cold, and it's time to break this baby out. I love it. It's unbelievably soft, and I highly recommend this for anybody that's cold right now. So let me know what you think. And I believe that is it. So that's my fall winter try on haul. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up because man, those likes have really been helping me, you guys. And if you're not subbed up to the channel yet, join that Kush crew and sub up. I really appreciate that. And yeah, hope you guys have a really awesome day. Hope you have an even better Christmas. And thank you. Like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.